So I've been sitting in my basement for the last 35 minutes. I think it's okay to go back upstairs. Started leaking some water. Well, let me go see if there's any damage upstairs. I heard something. What? Yeah. Oh, God. Oh. What is going on? Oh, shit. Wow, my plants fell over. And apparently, oh, we lost a big branch. Looks like it didn't hit the deck. Oh. I heard something. Oh my God. There's a tree down right by our deck. There's one over there by the pond. I don't know. I see a few trees down, but not a lot. Anyway, it's starting to rain again. Well, it looks like it missed the house and the deck. Ooh, it's starting to rain. Oh my God. I gotta pick up all these plants. Great.